This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can change the menu and quick button actions on this device. So at the start, power on your camera and swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to launch the controls. Then swipe to the left and enter settings. Here scroll down and open the customize button section. Now you can change what action or what you would like for the queue, this little button to do. There are quite a few of options you can select between. So let's say I'll go with lock the screen, for example, or actually access settings page. And you can also change the menu button function, which is this button here. So right now it is set, or by default rather, it is set to switch shooting modes, but you can, well, make it for example, a second power button, shutter button, or switch between single lens and 360 views. So now let's go ahead and test out. So let me quickly exit this settings menu and press the quick button to see what it does now. And indeed it launches settings. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.